the best part of this product is that you can use it for a lot of things. Now you may ask yourself why you are right now in a bathroom, okay? But the idea of being in a bathroom is to let you know that the coconut oil, as you must know, it has so many benefits, okay? And in my case specifically, I love using this product when it comes to, I wouldn't say fixing my hair, but hydrating my hair. Now, one of the, the benefits that the coconut oil has is that you can use it for your hair. And in my case, my hair is pretty long. And I've been using in my hair, okay, to help and moisturize it before I have to dye it and change my color. It helps so much. Now, of course, you can also use it for any other types of maybe when it's time to cook, you can add it as a, instead of using oil, you can use it too. You can add it to any type of smoothie. Maybe you can mix it also in a shake. So this is it's just perfect for any type of use, okay? Even if it's in the kitchen, even if it's for your self-care. And just to have an idea, okay, this is the texture. I love the color because it's between white but also kind of transparent. But again, the texture is, I love it because you can feel the coconut, of course. And of course, you gotta make sure and try to keep this product in the right temperature, otherwise it'll melt so easy, okay? Right now, because of the heat of my hand, of my fingers, it's melting already, okay? So I definitely, so I definitely recommend this product.